5 a.m. Ain't nobody see the work that I'm putting in. Something deep inside a thirst, I could feel it in my.
A quiet hum, a distant drone, the calendar leaf, a year unknown, a whispered name, a future bright, held captive in the fading light. The silent tick, a steady grace, anticipation fills this space. Our gazes to the stars beyond the days we navigate, past present woes and fading scars towards a solitary date. A number etched, a beacon bold on every map and every dream, a story waiting to unfold, a glimmer in a rushing stream. 2020, sweet the whispered hope, a blank canvas where dreams reside, a wider lens, a larger scope, a promise waiting deep inside. The air grows thick with unseen power, current building strong and deep from every clock, a ticking hour. The secrets that the futures keep.
Rising from a pulse that beats the fuse, now lit the tension mounts. 1,000 hearts, 1,000 treats as the collective spirit counts. Upward it climbs, a rising breath, a silent, urgent, fiery call. Kaleidoscope, emerald spreads in ruby rain. Aurora with thunder, heaven high, washing clean the ancient stain. Glittering arches, diamond dust, a million stars too bright to hold. In this one moment we entrust a story new, a future born. The night explodes. 20 to go! There's
a shrouded sky, emerald sprays and ruby rain. Aurora with thunder, heaven high, washing clean the ancient stain. Glittering arches, diamond dust, a million stars too bright to hold. In this one moment we entrust a story new, a future bend. The night explodes. 2026. A gentle haze where smoke ascends and softly sighs, but etched forever in our gaze, the memory of painted skies. What future did that fire reveal? What promise did its colors keep? A silent vow, a moment real, as wonders in our memories sleep. Did 2026 ignite the flame of change, or merely show the path? Did it whisper fortune, speak its name, or calm a lingering wrath?
beneath the quiet, cooling dark, we search for meaning in the gleam. More than a bright and fleeting mark, it was a collective waking dream. A shared breath held a world united in awe of what the night could be. Perhaps the true life wasn't ignited until it lived inside of me. Residue of wonder, soft and low, a new beginning, slightly so. But listen close, the hum returns, a deeper tremor, a final call for one last flash. The spirit yearns before the silence conquers all. The atmosphere begins to stir, a final lift, a rising sound. No longer hesitant or blurred as magic spirals all around. The grand crescendo drawing near for one last ultimate display. Feel the tremor, shed a tear as light devours night and day.
Cascading glory, light and sound, the universe flows wearing bright, shimmering down to sacred ground, a blazing final cue of light. 2020 see forever burn, a promise kept, a vision clear. The dawn it put the task we turned as magic stars. captive in the fading light, the silent tick, a steady grace. Anticipation fills the space. We cast our gazes to the stars, beyond the days we navigate, past prison walls and fading scars, towards a solitary date. A number etched, a big and bold on every map, in every dream, a story waiting to unfold, a glimmer in a rushing stream. 23, so whispered hope, a blank canvas where dreams reside, a wider lens, a larger scope, a promise waiting deep inside. The air grows thick with unseen power, a current building strong and deep, from every clock a ticking hour, the secrets that the futures keep. Arising from a pulse that beats the fuse, now let the tension melt, 1,000 hearts, 1,000 treats, as the collective spirit counts. Upward it climbs, a rising breath, a silent urge and fiery call.
Kaleidoscope past the shattered sky, emerald's present ruby rain. Eroded thunder, heaven high, watching clean the ancient stain. Glyph arches, diamond tusk, the million stars too bright to hold. In this one moment we entrust a story new, a future bomb. The night explodes. 2026. The night explodes. 2026.
The echoes fade, a gentle haze, where smoke ascends and softly sighs, but etched forever in our gaze, the memory of painted skies. What future did that fire reveal? What promise did its colors keep? A silent vow, a moment real, as wonders in our memories sleep. Did 2020 fits ignite the flame of change, or merely show the path? Did it whisper fortune, speak its name, or calm a lingering wrath? Beneath the quiet, cooling dark, we search for meaning in the gleam. More than a bright and fleeting mark, it was a collective waking dream. A shared breath held a world united in awe of what the night could be. Perhaps the true light wasn't ignited until it lived inside of me. The residue of wonder, soft and low, a new beginning silently sown. But listen close, the hum returns, a deeper tremor, a final call. For one last flash, the spirit yearns before the silence conquers all. The atmosphere begins to stir, a final lift, a rising sound, no longer hesitant or blurred, as magic spirals all around. The grand crescendo drawing near for one last ultimate display. Feel the tremor, shed a tear, as light devours night and day. Cascading glory, light and sound, the universe. We're solving the picture, luring down to sacred ground, to blaze it round, fighting purest light. 2020 likes forever burned, a promise kept, the vision clear, the dawn it promised has returned.